Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play DayZ RP. First, you need to understand that DayZ roleplay is all about immersion and following server-specific rules. Begin by researching different communities to find one that fits your preferred style, whether it's hardcore survival or more narrative-driven. Make sure to install any necessary mods or launchers before attempting to join. This preparation is crucial for a smooth start. Once you've chosen a server, focus on creating a compelling character. Think about their background, motivations, and personality. Staying in character at all times is vital for immersion, both for you and others. Use in-game voice chat to communicate, as text chat often breaks the roleplay flow. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to build your character's story. DayZ RP thrives on player interactions. Approach every encounter as a chance to develop your character and the server's narrative. Whether you're trading, forming alliances, or facing conflict, ensure your actions are consistent with your character's traits. Always prioritize the server's rules to maintain a fair and enjoyable environment for everyone involved. To truly enhance your DayZ RP experience, get involved. Participate in server events and storylines to deepen your immersion. Don't be afraid to observe and learn from veteran role players. They often have valuable insights. Your positive contributions, whether through creative roleplay or helping new players, enrich the entire community. Enjoy the unique stories you'll create.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.